ena enuanum mmienu o makwa kwahia e wo London na me perform ya wakwa chwa wo ho na say how I call it the mo ye no a fake whatever. Who is fake more than you? Who is fake more than you? You never appreciated Dusty to Ghanaian and say, yeah, guy be a friend of Dusty D into or no, and then Mammy Shaka will heal say, and I'm in any born. So if you will be fake. Oshia me wa club previous night, or pretended to say the own day. Unimi, cool, or behind your person choose your behind your person in here. But the other person will say, Shatta Wale, no beer, Shana, over you winning. Sarkodie, given in a system of Hanum. That because Shadow Forest behavior make America because some is got between Shana and Mike. Yes, we won't come, but all you'll be a Wunipan why day when you winning. In the sir, I didn't know what show internet, let's say, the much a fake love in your what that are fake. Uka fake for now. And Obia nim timer, a business timer, juma. They put emotions aside and do it. Stonebwoy say what could be a hypocrite will we ask man. Stonebwoy a hypocrite.
Ghana entertainment industry. Hey shit. Hey yo. Hey shit. Me know can say Stonebwoy Twitter or they buy about 2 or 3 days ago concerning say enipa mienu bi 2 guys bi a friendship very fake, you know. Me therefore a just some no a chakuma yare Ghana yo me no ka say makopia video bi so from the camp of Nana Tornado na Osha Ghana entertainment industry history now so wasemba na a person like Tornado bubo rema you're very careful. No, it's a fact. I have to tell you. Because so open long-standing banter on the internet. Nana Tornado branding won't mean in free. And Nana Tornado ni jina boot for boot on. Hey yo. Hey ya. But without wasting my time, no, Yemora the camp of Nana Tornado. Na yenko tie dientia onosu who say Stonebwoy any right say oba bonten be call you be say and I say oba calling crofo so mu fake because sabi ye ka mo mu ye faker eh yaw eh ya
But me who were internet so baby no na I say dia me who wo video ni mo no na Shatta Wale you can say Bolare drive and Shatta Wale ekotena open top nim nti okotena mu anasa Sarkodie nso fie chi a oyedan oba but as a nipa na Sarkodie Shatta Wale tena ka na mu wie na nipa na original gate na no whether it was a bouncer or a secret I didn't know but as a na nipa na to door nim na Sarkodie nso wie mu nti o ka chere say oh ono nso wie mu but sa hodam no me feel very bad because whether a bouncer na security no senya na Shatta Wale akotena ka ni mu wi a bibiti de na anyen na nkote na okotena ka ni na me hu say Sarkodie nso catch security guy na bouncer ni say ono nso ka ho no on me feel bad me feel to say bibiti de enka ho Shatta Wale nkwa na okotena ka ni mu nti senya what be can if you are sincere and honest person who share video na ade ni nya kwa yet said ya Shatta Wale na manche champion na Sarkodie didi chit say akola bi Sana me who no with no offense though. I'm just speaking that foot there me who yeah be obi so different opinion. Because say they Shatta kwat na kan man na to do no bi say eta we na anya ohene no ono wakot na kan. But say na Shatta Sarkodie so stop it guy and say hey me so me ka ho. No so kwat na nche na say na waso ni chain mo na nyama na me nti ase wo ho no baby. But na akoyet say akokọ na ne mba akokọ ene ne mba. Me who say ohono no ye ka say ohene wo ho a kin already ewo ho nti ade ni nya koye wo ho kan kwe ade ni nya we koye wo ho to say dia Shatta Wale ena ye ohene na Sarkodie di ni teach say akola bi ye fe no nkoto no chen de we but me who say me who internet no so say Stonebwoy akotro bibi to say how I call it friendship na ekoso ana dia na ekoso wo Shatta Wale ne Stonebwoy in terms of fake love. fake love no nkofo bebre ma fake love ena enye nden kwa me yeta my boy Sarkodie e menua ne sisters nya e menua nom meni omusi so enye nde Sarkodie oni me pa Stonebwoy so ni me pa Shatta Wale so ni me pa but there is no single day me enye bibia o me show bia but eso so bi wo wiase there is no single day a Shatta Wale ehume na ye shia obeye te say dia oni meda but there are so many occasions me share other musicians omehumia omo ye te say dia omo ni meda because omo person me na me beka hello ye den e tro mo but ye nya ye ba ko Stonebwoy I don't really remember. If you remember, I think like 15 years ago, the first time I saw you was in Community 12. Chicago House for no Mameno Nembano, Patrick ni Mario. Omufi honum. Community 12. Tata me put the now here say into Uyobia minimum pa. Also unimme. Over here Stonebwoy no. Dusty Atlanta. As we fell. How am I call it? More you understand? Three-way course, no. Now you nya kasa. Maybe sometimes scribe say, I don't know whether three-way call another dusty woman chain or Usta. You nya kasa a tornado ninya manyama. So Stonebwoy, you are not like somebody I don't know. But uyo bia unipa no we yini. Where you ni? Sabe kaya nana kwame. Philip Bobe. Some time ago, or invite over a night club, it was. When you got there, I was with Philip. But when you entered, you pretended as if you didn't know me from Adam. So, you a club now, you dispatch here. So, I say, out and say, Philip Bobe, and I say, the wife, and I say, Stonebwoy also, and I say. But, oh, yes, he said, yeah, one Kasame Humpo, although, does your ring over in Yaya, then, yes, we will call, say, Akata, but you pretended you didn't know me. And your problem. I think the next day was 2 days, no? Oba Philip Bobe fie our cantonment. Oba and I Philip Bobe fie no swimming pool na on the top. Into Oba and I was swimming pool I mean champagne. And I Philip Bobe no float top Oba. Oba and I Philip Bobe bisa say, "Oh, sound him tornado." O say, "Oh, tornado there be everybody know him." But when you met me in the club the previous night, you pretended you didn't know me, bro. Ushia me wa club previous night. No pretended to say dia onya dey. Unimi. Cool. Obia ne di opeso choose. Obia ne di opeso on here. But dia me pesa we cho say Shatta Wale enyo bia. Ube shiana. Obe yi weni. Sarkodie me ne na etete ma hanum. Sometimes because shiana wo forest behavior me kwa America because some physical. Between shiana mic. Yet we bon come but uyo bia uhuni pa no aye dey. We yi weni. Inti sa ade na go throw wo internet so say di omo try e fake love dey nwa. What that how e fake? Uka fake for ne ho. And Obia nim time a business time omu ye juma. They put emotions aside and do it. Stonebwoy say what Obi a hypocrite we are man. Stonebwoy a hypocrite. Wa unim Dusty D no ko Instagram, Facebook na ko search Dusty D. Stonebwoy Dusty introduced you to Carrie Hilson. Yes. Carrie Hilson not onyom no a Dusty D and they introduce you to Carrie Hilson. How did Dusty meet Carrie Hilson? Dusty Obia, Tamaha Obia Nimno. Ugo na be Dusty D and then on Dubai and then on China. Copia if you say one call obla. She convince Jan and Amo. But ope designers, Dusty Obia what can Obia designers are. Ope designers, big boy things. Carrie Hilson, Esha Dusty D, ever plain mo. And no honey bag okita. And also, hey, usher young boy Steve's now usher bag now Dusty kita na. Hey, big boy a shark. And Carrie Hilson, I confront say Dusty D, and they became friends. And Dusty put you on say, oh, me one musician beer. Our Ghana, your friend is Stonebwoy. And Dusty D introduced you to Carrie Hilson, and only Carrie Hilson born you. But Stonebwoy, what did you do? You weren't even able to mention Dusty to the world. And I want to be on board Dusty Dimpo. And when you say, oh, if I am Dusty, so, and a man, Michelle Carrie Hilson. But Shatta Wale obey. Shatta Wale will bonk for my one that I want to brab. That's a sincere and honest person. Obi all appreciate that. The power yaman will be at you. But you Stonebwoy, does he introduce you to Carrie Hilson? When did I be po our Ghana? I can say, oh, me be what man. Your friend Dusty D. Or don't know introducing me my Carrie Hilson. And now to be the Nidipo Ebonyum. No. But what I say? And you know me no Makwashia or London. Now me perform ya. What show or honor say, how call it? A fake whatever. Who is fake more than you? Who is fake more than you? This is the time we all have to come together and put Ghana on the map. And yes, and the Obeka say, where you say, where was Kasi, where was cover? I mean, what? You never appreciated Dusty to Ghana and say, yeah, guy be a friend of Dusty D into or no, and then Mammy Shaka Hill said, and I'm in any born. So if you'll be fake. Since we are all in Ghana, let's all be united and be one people. Now I trust young guys say where coming, where you say, you know. Somebody have to stop those things. Now see they are you know. One kata woman ko fugu nipa where they. People will say you are a greedy bastard and now we are yeah. So stop it. And let's put Ghana on the map.
Me Debi Huni. Based on and some sabi tornado dia ba bonteno. Empire na me boss a Fia Schwarzenegger. Enko hu na tornado video no. Because se Fia Schwarzenegger ko hu na tornado video na. Automatically Fia ebeba in defense for Stonebwoy. And Fia eba in defense for Stonebwoy, anya ade Fia so ebeja ne ho. Fia will come with facts, figures, evidence e chese sebi na tornado so ye fake. Say Fia nya tisima, write this thing down. Say Fia swansu tisi asem wem na Fia ba in defense for Stonebwoy. Hey. I think say any Ghana court system no any be security. And some American in the war penny people at Troto. Say Fia Schwarzenegger eba in defense for Stonebwoy. Oh a lawyer. Oh say ye to sign. We see Kenya mo ano no. Because say Fia begina na tornado konswa. Ye nyine ni BBC. And some are any say yet. Na me de me yenie. Okotre ko wi no mako. O te Stonebwoy wife no sebi oye raba. Won de me cho no. Now no baby ade na be chia ko no. To me mempe. No, I have to be we are sitting there asemba no kro ha no aka. Baby e be chia ko no. Anunti I think say enkamenya mutie ni yo. Menya enka aboy emfra Fia se Fia no lie forget it na tornado na asumdwe mra o de wabeka ne nsem ye reply ye nya no anase being fans na sabi muni ma Fia Schwarzenegger mo mpa na chaw se mane emesoso because Fia be soso a ensem a ye bete no it will go beyond entertainment too. And I think say now Stonebwoy brand no. Oh Babon Tiabe can't send me at Tiana. I was so the can for lawyers. Some me can't send me on Tini Miss Ramo. Made 100,000 Ghana to my accounts in him. What to say, Yajim Yanama Ba for my defense. I don't think I think that. Hey, yo.